Hey, I want to give a quick walkthrough of a computer use agent, a Python program that drives real Windows desktop apps like Calculator, VS Code, and MS Paint. So there's no browser, no mocked UI, etc. Like the actual app windows opening on the screen and controlled by the code. So the idea is like most software has an API, but like apps like Calculator on your system, the MS Paint they're all built for humans, buttons and canvases, etc. So computer use agent solves this by doing what a human does. So if you see at the screen, right, you decide what to click, and we use cua-driver to achieve this. So basically, we follow the five architecture layers, and we always use the cheapest layer that gets the job done. Like it starts with like the goal decomposition, break the goal into steps. There's no LLM involved, it's free. And perception 2A that reads the accessibility tree directly, zero LLM cost again. Then there's a perception 2B, this accessibility tree plus cheap LLM judgment. And the error recovery it retries with bring to front when the tree is empty, and there's a vision fallback. So it screenshots and sends it to the vision LLM, and there's a bit of cost involved here. Let me quickly dive into the demo. So let's run this code here. Let's run all the scenarios. So here, if you see, the goal is to compute some multiplication, etc. And the app launches and it has the hotkeys of what numbers to type, etc. And I'm not clicking anything, it's all doing by itself. So there is a result which is generated. So there's no LLM calls. Then next is it launches a VS Code, and the aim is to replace the to-do placeholder docstrings. So if you see on the screen, there are multiple to-do place docstrings, and it takes a note of how many to-dos are there, edits the file, and uses the VS Code inbuilt features to kind of revert the file. Um, so it understands this code, it reads the code, parses it, and it finds the five to-dos, and there's a cheap LLM call that happens to get the doc strings. And if you see here, it is reverting it. So this is the task two. Then the task three is the MS Paint. Again, it launches MS Paint. It checks the top canvas. It checks, okay, where is the star button? And then the star button is achieve. I mean, it recognizes through the accessibility tree, but within the canvas, it has to draw and it has to save. It is all driven by the cua-driver. So it has also saved the file. Now let me come back here. If you see here, it has done it all by itself. And there's also a cost computed here as to the for each task, the no LLM calls for the calculator task. Here there was some LLM call. How many tokens were used? What were the charges? Here I'm using Cerebras. Again, it is depictive only, and how much time it took, etc. And then for the MS Paint task, there's also some a metrics recorded here. Uh, so the full code is available in GitHub, and it needs cua-driver on Windows 11 and an LLM key. Thanks for watching. Thank you.